Assalamualaikum. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. In English, it's called fig.
Pig is baboy.
No, fig. Like not pig. Fig.
Malaysia.
Nescafe, baka naman. Nescafe, did you know they don't know this here? Only me, I bring. Only cater ito.
How?
Wait, this is what the story. Real story, are you making joke again?
Okay na. I give it to you.
Asan na yung garampani? Kasi puro kapag mamarites. Isang pitek mo na with soft moves. Dali na. Pa? Yes, like that. Busit ka dyan. You know the talong?
A long one or a gold one?
Napakasa. Patan, tantana mo. He crying. Pero kinakain yung candy.
Chai drink.
Paisa.
Kamat ko.
Paisa. Nangi ng pera. Ang aga-aga ice cream, kaya kayo lahat may ubo. Pinagalitan, joke lang. Crush ko na nga to, sige na, confirm na. Ay, bagong ligo. Naligo ka, I'm proud of you. Proud na proud ako sa'yo, anak. Naligo ka talaga. Oh, visit ka. Everybody, good afternoon from England. Hey, Teresa here. So for today, good luck po para ako si Mama Mary. Good afternoon. Yes.
What? This is what I do. Nothing wrong. Nothing happened.
Not yet.
This is the old world stuff. No.
Which one? Which
The
one?
old, the last 055.
You think I really remember? Even my number, I don't know. How come I remember my
I think
number?
na Jawad Kampa, Dubai na is under his name.
But where do we go today? We walk. You said we will go the ano? Belao?
Below.
Where is that?
Below Jabay.
It's far or no?
Yeah, we'll go motorcycle.
But it's far?
Yeah, like 20 minutes.
Ayun na naman yung mga 20 minutes. The truth. Dubai 20 minutes, not Swabi 20 minutes.
20 minutes here, no, it's near, it's not far. We, 25th Ramadan, we go walking there. Me, Anas. Tumang sartal bidata, bilago taban na he, na, but roja ki chimang tell you. 2 hours, we go there also. They take the small, the black color.
Berry?
No, not berries.
What black color?
They're eating there.
You can eat?
Yeah, I show you the picture. And we come back also, all in 2 hours, and walking, not.
You're 20 minutes. But then really, the Dubai 20 minutes, how many? Not the Swabi Dubai Swabi 20 minutes, 1 hour. Tuwan na naman kayo. Everybody, good morning from the village. It's my second day here. So, ay nako naman talaga, maglayo kayo. Perfecto, saan ko kayo? You can eat this?
Yeah, this very nice, sweet.
Fig.
Fig?
Yeah, fig. In English, it's called fig.
Fig is baboy.
No, fig. Like not pig. Fig. The black.
Yeah,
And inside
but
is like...
milk.
Milk?
Like milk, yeah.
It's different.
Small
Yeah.
bone. Small, but bone also people eating this.
I don't know that now.
This first is
Maybe it's
green, then
different.
coming red, then after when it's black, like this, after people eating.
Ano kaya yan? Hay, naku naman talaga! Ano yan? Duhat yata yan eh.
Okay, you will eat later. No?
I will not eat later.
Why?
We will come, but I will not. I will try. It's okay. Usually, we can eat, ha?
Huh?
Dahil nyo kasi ginagawa dito, hindi naman dapat eh. Chinoks lang.
Pasal.
Gising na yung anak ko. Gising na yung anak ko, oh.
Ospizan to sarwasa. Zaman.
Na, sige, makasih galing mo ka.
Halas. Gising ka. Anas, I tell you something.
Mako da.
Naman nasa dilaglag na.
Binugbog.
Kopi? Sa dilaglag ka din. Lati gito halakati. Ano ka na?
Coffee.
Malaysia.
Nescafe, baka naman.
Malaysia.
Yes. Oh, yeah. Only this in There's also in Dubai like this, but it's too much sweet. In Malaysia, it's really I like. This, but you don't drink this here.
Yeah, I know.
They don't even know this.
Who?
Them here, they know this? They don't know this. Yung ako lang, I'm the only person who can bring Nescafe in Swabi.
No, it's Swabi Town.
But the kid, I mean, in your village, they don't know, they no longer know this here.
Who not go to Dubai, they don't know.
Yeah. Nescafe, did you know they don't know this here? Only me, I bring. Only Kay Toretto. Just like I don't know you.
Listen to me, na. Here people putting, we call dam. Dam in Urdu and Pashto, okay? Like tie, same like tie cable. Okay. Then they bring the steel nails put inside and there's there. When the bird is coming, not the normal bird, some expensive bird. And they put their peanuts something. They coming for eating. They coming for when they come. They put the pit here. Then it's
The fit, yeah. Catch
so
well.
the bird is
You have?
Yeah, here have people, many people they are catching like this. Now, then that bird is cannot go after. When the owner go, then take and remove, open and bring the home and put in the cage.
Cage,
Cage. After that, giving cut small the
Feather.
yeah, and giving
Like this.
yeah, little, so cannot fly. Then giving peanut, giving food, everything, water like this. Then after the bird don't want to go outside. Don't want to run away. Happy with the owner, okay?
Say.
Then that how
Wait, this is what the story? Real story or are you making joke again?
okay na. I tell you the story na.
Say.
After people go and bring them to the mountain,
Say.
that the bird is happy with the owner.
Say.
Then catching another bird because of this one.
Say. So now 2 birds.
No, I will get this one. After I will catch this one there.
Who teach you this kind of story, Patan?
You don't understand.
I understand. I understand your story now. Patan, asan na yung garampani?
Wala po pag ganito ko na lagi.
Di ba? Kasi puro kapag mamarites, anas.
Boleh praktis.
Huwag ka magat-ngat.
Aku gimana?
Lagi namin pangat-ngat.
Sitiar sila ka na. Apsali ka isa show.
Dami ko nakikita dito.
Apsali ka yung tapuso ka nakakaradya kam taltaski.
Isang pitek mo na with soft moves. Dali na. Isang pitek with soft moves. Do like this.
Beliau.
Pa, marunong tayo. With soft moves yun. Yes, like that. Show the camera. Isang pitek with soft moves. Show. Dali na. Ikaw, dali. Dali mo, Walida. But in this village, this snow is already big, right? In this village, this snow is already big for you, right?
What?
In village, this snow is already big for you.
No, this small.
Yeah, small.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But you are,
because this is the normal nose here.
you know, night when you sleeping, you know the chunday, the clip for the clothes? Put here like this.
Wow.
Right?
It's not true. Sarap ulo
Then
ka.
until morning it will be like this, but your bird
It's red.
Like,
Zena! Where is Zed? They don't understand.
they understand. He 50 years in Dubai, in police.
But he happy. I know. He not mind this, only you.
Al Qiyada police station.
Yeah, he told me that's the, what's the name of the son who pick us?
Goalkeeper.
He pick us na.
I'm sorry.
Assalamualaikum. Sangay. Kay. Pasto. Pag ako nagkaubo, lahat kayo nakadikit sa akin. Pag ako nadamay sa ubo nyo, bugbog talaga kayo. Ay, ibaba mo na, Anas. Hindi mainit.
See the picture there.
Why they give me this? I don't like.
I tell the big one come then he bring this one.
It's not hot patan. It's not garam. Give me chamat. Give me chamat.
There's the hand mistake.
Next time this is enough na. Oh. This is only I need.
نص سلالة عندها
Shaba, musod kayo.
Ucet ka. Apyala ucet kayo.
Patan na ako, di ba?
Asalin na lang to.
أخي تشيز كلنا
Ah, Charlie. Pwede daw kumakon chamach. Nakatingin lahat, oh. Di kasi nila alam yung kape dito, everybody, kung alam nyo ba. Nay.
No. Hindi siya nga.
Hindi ka mo ko chamach. Huwag na nga, ako na nga to, nangalap
Oh,
ang
you
halo
take.
ko. Ha?
Walida. Tasiro ba sa daan ng grosso siya?
Charlie.
Kasi daro.
Ah, this is video?
Tato tasiro ba sa?
Yung camera ko, yung camera.
Yo tasiro. Siya lang.
Dasalas.
بس ما
Nda za pakirawas ta nim di pakirawas. Kama jala da sakan pakirawas jala. Siguro sa wali da sabi ko.
Sabi ko sa'yo, magagalap ka. Sige nga. Patan, it's not hot. See my coffee. Oh.
The water is not hot.
Yes, see the coffee. It's not, Oh.
You put too much.
Patan, I drink coffee every day. I know if coffee is... Ay, naku, Patan. Bahala ka. See. Oh.
Nasa, आप सर्विस खा ले बिन दिनम से वो भी गर्मी को में जनावर तो गर्मी ऊपर आ लगा या खिया आप महकड़ी दी कच्चा आ ले wait bring another वर्ष दाऊसा
How I come another?
little put more
No.
الدنيا بقوتها
ना मारा वर्ष दा खीक बिल्कुल वो है शो बिल्कुल अगर यह खराब लगा काफी पके वहां से खराब हुआ
It's not galam eh. You don't have microwave, Patan?
no
You bring na next time. Yaan mo na.
warban ka
أخويا خدي
Ang lamig ng kape ko. Walida, musod ka dito. Dito ka. Ew. I don't care.
what I say
Ay. Sumasay malandi ka. Okay, pagbubulungan. Hindi kayo magtiti. What I can do now? Ay, the coffee is already here.
it's more hard so put little now it's okay
Ay, naku, Patan.
now it's more boil
Ginawa mong laro yung kape ko.
kena sali
Ali, let's eat. Eat na, Patan.
put now after coming
Ayan, it's already good na. What do you think of my coke?
more hot now
Na,
Busit ka.
busit ka dyan. You know the talong? Eggplant? I want. Not now.
Yeah, this one you like. A long one or a gold one?
Napakasao. Patan, tantala mo. First we visit the stores na. Patan, you did nothing going to other country.
No.
Why?
Only Dubai and Saudi Arabia.
Yeah, but why?
No, no have money.
But if you have, where you will go?
I want to go Georgia.
No, for living, not for visiting.
For what?
For living na other job. For jobs, not for,
For job?
yeah. Georgia is too much cheap, Patan. 500, you can go 3 days. What did they put? It's too much good. What they put?
What they put?
Yeah.
Onion, tomato.
And the green. What's that?
It's onion.
It's too much good taste. They will say in the video why the kids are not eating. Tell them they already eat.
Yeah, they already eat.
Yeah.
Early.
When they wake up, they eat. Sabi na naman.
Now 10 o'clock they will eat again.
Yeah, I know. Because if some people watch, they say, why the kids are not eating? They already eat.
Here, wake up early when it is sunrise time.
Yeah.
Yeah. After around 10 o'clock. Ayana, jaga gusto ki, gusto siya.
Hindi ako na, busog na talaga ako. Bas.
Tapos? Jala.
Tanggalin mo na yung shoes. Move. Laga.
Sandal ko, basa الشندل جيو باشا بابو
He crying. Same last night. You see me cry.
لا 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 he's scared of you because of your hair.
Because I'm white na. She thinking, who is this white person? Wala rin bag.
Rasha, mom. You have chocolate?
Give na. The black bag.
This one?
Yeah, the black. Yeah, yeah. Same. Del, napatan
No,
mo.
don't give now, just take, then he will
Abdi,
come.
then you give.
You,
I will give.
yeah, you'll give, he will
Ako
come to
pala.
you na. So he will uto.
Lasi
Don't
sumaya.
give, catch like, let's show Sumaya. Rasha, mom. No, just catch and don't give now, huh? He coming.
You give.
So, the bird will catching now.
Tumabi ka kasi. Because I'm white na. She's scared. He's scared na.
Das.
Give now. Give one now. Because
Das na pati kala das na wala.
bango. Smelling good.
Mango ya. Das is lalgi se. Mom.
Wala. Pero kinuha.
Mom. Rasha, wala. Dia baju, cawe. Gede. Mamuk.
Pero kinakain yung candy.
Mam de.
Charis ka din eh.
Mam de.
Pwede kayo mo nga yan.
Ay, mam. Ay, guro.
Ang arte. Charis.
Ay, guro.
Huwag mo akong gawin ka. Uwi mo na yan. Iuwi mo yan. Patan, let's walk na. We go somewhere na. You bring this first. I will try to finish this. Kasama yan sa binayad kong luggage. Ay! The selling?
Chicken.
Ay, chicken? No need. Patan, let's visit your friends. The old hill. The too much old Patans.
Going there?
Yes, only sitting. Umaya! Tara, Umaya. Umaya, ano siya? Ganda ng anak ko. Ay, alam ko nang kailangan mo, candy to. Kaso ang aga pa. Patan, I can give her money or no?
I will give.
Ha?
I will give.
I will give na.
Okay.
Alam mo, kuhain mo na rin yung bag ko. Dali na kuhain mo yung bag ko. Tell her to get the bag.
What's that?
She knows that because she knows.
Which one?
Yeah.
Dada, will be back na to.
Ay. Let's visit her. Let's go to the Patan. Ay, Patan, I don't have small coins.
20.
20 only. 50 na because it's crack.
Okay.
Oh. Take na. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. 20, divide. How much is that? Ha?
Sabar. Talwar mo.
20. Oh, bigyan mo si Wadida. Oh, bas. Salas.
Marasha.
Let's go na, Patan.
Jad, worship ka na.
Ali,
Tulwala ka na.
maybe I will forget. Alam mo, ang tagal na nito sa akin. Ipapamana ko na kay Ali to.
Saludo wala. Umarom din.
Gwapo ni Ali. Ali, dikitan mo ko. Come here. Ay, niya akong dikit. Hindi ko malandi si Ali. Ali, landiin mo ko. Magagalitan kasi ako ni Patan, kaya hindi kami magdikit. Hindi kami nagdidikit. Buisit kasi ito si Patan eh. Ali, there's electricity ano, Nay? Electricity, no? Okay, no. Yeah, I see. Good morning, Seth. Si Umaya. Umaya. Papagalitan ako, alam ni Patan, papagalitan ako niya kahit laro-laro lang. Dahil kung sermon kay Patan, ayaw kong palabasin ni Patan. Gusto niya magbalot ako. Ay, sabi ko, wag na ako lumabas. Dito na lang ako. Masaya naman ako sa loob, sa totoo lang. So, we are complete. Grabe naman yung pinto na yan na May belt pa pala yan. Hindi naman isinara ng maayos. Ganito yan, sinasara. Oo, naisasara yan. Double lock yan. Ganyan. Princess Sarah ka na. Umaya. Asa na si isang pitek with soft moves? Ito pala. Doon naman, isa na lang nakita mo pa, Sid. Ikaw naman. May buhok daw ako. Isang piraso ng halang yan, nakita mo pa. Ikaw naman. Pa isa. Give me pa isa na. Ay, nagbibigay talaga naman. Tad mo na yan. Said, how are you? I'm fine. Isang pitek with soft moves. Isang pitek with soft moves. Nakakita nyo lang si Ali sa likod ng babuiset. Nakita nga. Nataman kasi ako mag-control ng camera. Okay, everybody, this vlog is ano lang ha. Kung gusto nyo lang makita yung buhay sa village. Kung gusto nyo lang makita yung buhay sa village, yung simple lang, hindi to yung vlog na hype, hindi to yung vlog na maraming nagaganap, hindi. Kung ano talaga lang yung ginagawa namin sa village, yun lang yung makikita nyo sa vlog na to, okay? Wala tong ano, puro to, raw, raw, unfiltered. Literal na naka-standby lang yung camera. Para kayo nanonood sa CCTV, wala naman lang nangyayari, pero binablog ganun. Nag-iiyak na naman na yan! Ay nako, Ali, papampam ka. Hala, kung siya yung view nyo araw-araw, payag ba kayo? Hindi niya alam sa kanya nakaharap yung camera. What? Hindi niya alam sa kanya nakaharap. Kita niyo yung mga ngiti niya sa akin. Oh, sabihin, Seth, ikaw naman, alam ko yung mga... Ayan na, ano niyan na. Hala, so Ali, kung ganyan yung view mo araw-araw, day. Hala, sira ulo ko. I'm too much cutting. You know, every time we make video, I'm too much cut. Dahil mo kasi sinasabing hindi pang camera. Sorry.
Sa Bahar Ali Father.
Ha?
Bahar Ali
Salam.
Remember the first time in Dubai we eat in the barbecue and the rooftop?
Yeah, the rooftop.
Yeah,
First.
Say
that.
Amjad cousin.
Amjad
Yeah,
Kasim.
Amjad cousin. Yeah. Hey,
Eid Mubarak.
De Malaysia na lagi, Malaysia to.
Yeah, I know. It's no, the camera is in front of me. Patan, I know. I come here many times. Nag-away kami ni Patan. Gaganon niya yung camera kasi may dadaan na baba. Sa ulo to eh. Salam, Eid Mubarak. Sangay. Kay? Ang lamig sa ano, village. Ang sarap maglakad-lakad. Alam mo kasi si Sepula? Si Sef?
Where's Sepullah? Sepullah sa show? He's not here.
Pero, I miss this smell. Amoy kemerot ng ano, donkey. Ay, salam. Ay, makara na. Assalamualaikum, Eid Mubarak. Assalamualaikum, Eid Mubarak. Salam. I remember this guy. I know you. Kilala kita. Assalamualaikum. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Salam. Kina. We sit here.
Yeah, anyway,
Get mo
you
ba?
can sit.
Okay. Sabihin ay. Not in the sun. Not in the sun. 1 hour, no? Jaldi. Pas.
No, बस क्या अटे बिगाड़ेम नो दी मु इब्रात दिले मु देम चिता तो बनियो गाड़ दो तो बिया खवा जल के पलो अन बस बिया बस इलोलो नो
Wala ko yung smells.
صابين على اصلا انت بيا دغاي كنا
لكل يوم كلام طعنا قال كان شنو يشتغل
how much this camera
Ha?
how much this camera what the fuck
$800?
$100 dollars $100
I don't
dirhams
know.
One eternity later.
Assalamualaikum. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Hello. Salam.
क्या हाल है उर्दू को समझते हैं
ठीक है अच्छा. Bili tayo melon mamaya. Pwede ba bang kainin to? May ano-ano na. Pwede pa ba yan? Pwede pa yan?
चाय चाय पियो चाय पियो
Yun? Nay, shukriya. Ha?
चाय में उसे थोड़ी सी
Shukriya.
लागा नाश्ता कर बस
चाय ड्रिंक
Paisa.
समझते हैं
Paisa. Nangingi ng pera. Kapatid ni Mokchalo.
मंगो से नाश्ता इला हो गया
Good, say kay.
हसफी खैर दे अल्लाह दे खैर
Say hi. Kayo talaga? Uwi nga kayo. Naka-shades ka pa, naka-shades ka pa. Naka-shade, hindi lang ikaw. Madami pala kayo. Assalamualaikum. Patan, what's this? Rice? Patan? For roti?
No, not roti.
What's this? For chicken?
No, not chicken. For the cow and buffalo. When they make the food, they put this little na. So mix. Then they're eating.
How do you call this?
This called choker.
Ah,
Choker in the English.
people can eat or not?
For the roti is what is it? It's different.
Aga ice cream. Kaya kayo may ubo, aga-aga ice cream. Hindi ko. Ganda ko, no? Comment down below everybody kung maganda ako. Cutie-cutie to eh, oh. Cutie-cutie yan eh. Naman hindi kasi masyadong close yung kapitbahay namin dyan. Ayan. Ang aga-aga ice cream, kaya kayo lahat may ubo. Pinagalitan, joke lang. Crush ko na nga to, sige na, confirm na. Ay, bagong ligo. Naligo ka, I'm proud of you. Proud na proud ako sa'yo, anak. Naligo ka talaga. Buisit ka. Ha? Lakasan mo, buisit ka. Alam mo pa nag-uusap sila dito? Kala mo may nagsisigawan, kala mo may nagbabangayan. Sabi ni Patan 5 minutes ago, tara na. Pero tingnan mo, nasa likod lang siya. Alam nyo, pag nasa village kayo, ganito talaga dito. Charot-charot lang 5 minutes. Taray naman talaga. May pasamosa. Gusto ko yan. Sino yung batang yan? May mga papisa. Salam. Singgay. Kay. Orasan natin si Patan kung gaano siya katagal makikipag-usap. Five minutes daw, Patan. Chares. Asan na si Umara? Brother? Nay. Daing may ubo. Alam niyo madaming may ubo kasi malamig yung panahon. Kumpulan yung gwapo dito, no? Kung ako sila ulo lang ako, maglalandi talaga ako. Mas shotgunin ako dito, girl. Huwag kang lolo-loko dito. Pag nasa village ka, tabi mo yung kalandian mo. Huwag mo ditong gawin yan. Maglandi ka sa ibang lugar, wag dito. Ano lang dito? Little lang dito. Laro-laro lang. Huwag mong tototohanin. Running 10 minutes, everybody. Naghihintay pa rin po tayo kay Patan. Assalamualaikum. You good? Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak.
Natatandaan niyo ba to everybody si Major? You are good?
Major Major tayo ka na.
I know. Akala mo nakakalimutan ko eh.
Loud.
Ikaw lalaki.
Chai, chai.
Sugar. You want chai ba? You want chai? No? No, syempre.
Wo pakai study man to kono iwe doesn't know.
Saida.
Let's go from here because the kids is all the
I'm waiting for you. You are talking, right? Tara. It's here, you know. Ay, Baji. Sige. Eid Mubarak. Salam alaikum. Kay. Surki. Mozam kayem. Mozam kayem meaning, maganda yung panahon. May mga bata na natatakot pag nakikita ako. Tinatakot ko na lang din. Welcome back to Swabi. Dahil bata. Assalamualaikum. Mag-uwi kayo. Charot lang, joke lang. Welcome back to Swabi, everybody. Ang daing bata. Dami yung daing assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Sengay, kay. Malaki ka na. Lumayo ka sa akin. Gusto ko sa batang yan. Napakakulit yan. Taray, 6 months lang ako nawawala. Parang yung natadagdag sa kanila mga parang 2 inches. Crush ko, hala. Assalamualaikum. Eid Mubarak. Crush ko to, yayakapin ko to. Assalamualaikum. Crush ko yan. You are good.
You see before?
No, first time. Why? Ha? Gago. Sara ulo talaga to si Patan. Dahil na yung pinagsasasabi.